Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Conversations. My name is Jack.
And I'm Amelia. Hi, everyone. How are you today?
We are so happy you're here with us. Today is a special episode.
Yes, today we're talking about the new year. We'll learn easy English phrases for your morning routine and New Year goals.
That's right. Your morning routine means the things you do every morning. For example, I wake up, I brush my teeth, and I drink coffee.
Perfect example, Jack. And if you like this podcast, please click like and subscribe. It really helps us.
Yes, please subscribe. We make new episodes every week to help you learn English.
Okay, are you ready to learn? Let's start.
Let's go.
Okay, Jack, let's talk about the morning. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
The first thing I do? The first thing I do is open my eyes.
That's true. Everyone opens their eyes first. But then what?
Then I wake up. Wake up means to stop sleeping. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day.
Good. Let's say that together. Listen first. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Now you try. Repeat after me. I wake up.
At 7 a.m.
Great job. Now, what time do you wake up? You can practice saying, I wake up at, and then your time.
For example, maybe you wake up at 6 a.m. So you say, I wake up at 6 a.m.
Or maybe you wake up at 8 a.m. You say, I wake up at 8 a.m.
Let's practice one more time. Repeat, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Excellent. You're doing great.
Now, Jack, after you wake up, what do you do next?
After I wake up, I get out of bed. Get out of bed means to leave your bed and stand up.
That's right. Listen, I get out of bed. Now repeat, I get out of bed.
Perfect. Sometimes getting out of bed is hard, right? Especially in winter.
Yes, in winter, my bed is so warm, I don't want to get out of bed.
Me too. But we need to start our day. So let's review. What are the first two things? First, I wake up. Second, I get out of bed.
Exactly. Let's say it together. I wake up, I get out of bed.
Good job, everyone. You're learning so fast.
Okay, now you're out of bed. What's next, Jack?
Next, I go to the bathroom. In the bathroom, I wash my face.
Wash my face. This means to clean your face with water. Listen, I wash my face.
Repeat after me. I wash my face.
Wonderful. Washing your face helps you feel awake and fresh.
Yes. After I wash my face, I brush my teeth. Brush my teeth means to clean your teeth with a toothbrush.
Listen, I brush my teeth. Now repeat, I brush my teeth.
Excellent. Brushing your teeth is very important. You should brush your teeth every morning and every night.
That's right. Okay, let's practice these two actions together. First, I wash my face.
Second, I brush my teeth.
Great. Now, do you brush your teeth before breakfast or after breakfast?
That's a good question. I brush my teeth after breakfast. What about you, Amelia?
I brush my teeth before breakfast. Everyone is different. That's okay.
Exactly. There's no wrong answer. You can say I brush my teeth before breakfast or I brush my teeth after breakfast.
Let's review again. After you get out of bed, I wash my face, I brush my teeth.
Perfect. You're improving already.
Now, Jack, after the bathroom, what do you do?
After the bathroom, I get dressed. Get dressed means to put on your clothes.
Right. Listen, I get dressed. Repeat, I get dressed.
Wonderful. What do you wear in the morning, Amelia?
In winter, I wear warm clothes. I wear a sweater and pants. In summer, I wear a t-shirt and shorts.
Good examples. Let's practice. Repeat, I wear a t-shirt.
And repeat, I wear pants.
Excellent. Now, after you get dressed, it's time for breakfast.
Yes, breakfast is my favorite. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Listen, I eat breakfast.
Repeat, I eat breakfast.
Great. Now, what do you eat for breakfast, Jack?
My breakfast is simple. I eat toast with butter. I also drink coffee.
That sounds good. I eat cereal with milk, and I drink orange juice.
Those are great breakfasts. Let's practice. Repeat, I eat toast.
I drink coffee.
I eat cereal.
I drink orange juice.
Wonderful. Now, what do you eat for breakfast? You can practice saying, I eat, and then your food.
For example, I eat eggs, or I eat a banana.
Let's try one more. A quick breakfast means a fast breakfast, not a lot of food. For example, my quick breakfast is a banana.
Repeat, my quick breakfast is a banana.
Perfect. Okay, let's review everything. Jack, can you tell us the morning routine?
Sure. First, I wake up. Second, I get out of bed. Third, I wash my face. Fourth, I brush my teeth. Fifth, I get dressed. Sixth, I eat breakfast.
Excellent summary, Amelia. That's a complete morning routine. Okay, everyone, now let's talk about the new year. The new year is January 1st. It's a new beginning.
Yes, a new beginning means a fresh start. We can try new things and make goals.
Goals are things you want to do or achieve. For example, my goal is to exercise more.
That's a great goal. Exercise means to move your body, like running or playing sports.
Let's practice. Listen, my goal is to exercise more. Repeat, my goal is to exercise more.
Excellent. What about you, Amelia? What's your goal?
My goal is to read more books. I love reading. Reading helps me learn new things.
That's wonderful. Let's practice. Repeat, my goal is to read more books.
Great job. Now let's learn some common New Year goals. First goal, I want to learn English.
Perfect. That's why you're here. Repeat, I want to learn English.
Second goal, I want to be healthy. Healthy means your body feels good and strong.
Repeat, I want to be healthy.
Third goal, I want to save money. Save money means to keep your money, not spend it all.
Repeat, I want to save money.
Excellent. Those are 3 common goals. Let's say them again. I want to learn English. I want to be healthy. I want to save money.
Perfect. You're doing so well.
Now let's learn how to talk about your goals. We use simple phrases. First phrase, I want to.
For example, I want to learn English, or I want to exercise more.
Let's practice. Repeat, I want to learn English.
Good. Second phrase, I will. This phrase is stronger. It means you promise to do it.
For example, I will study English every day.
Repeat, I will study English every day.
Wonderful. Third phrase, my goal is to. We already practiced this one.
Yes, for example, my goal is to be healthy.
Let's practice all 3. First, I want to exercise more.
Second, I will study English every day.
Third, my goal is to be healthy.
Excellent! Now you can talk about your goals in 3 different ways.
That's right. Let's try some more examples. Amelia, what's another goal people have?
Many people say, I want to travel more. Travel means to visit new places.
Great. Repeat, I want to travel more.
Another common goal, I want to spend more time with family.
That's beautiful. Spend time means to be together with someone. Repeat, I want to spend more time with family.
Perfect. And one more, I want to try new things. This means to do activities you never did before.
Repeat, I want to try new things.
Excellent work! You're learning so many useful phrases.
Okay, now we have our goals. But how do we achieve our goals? We need daily habits.
Daily habits are small things you do every day. For example, if your goal is to learn English, your daily habit is, I study English for 10 minutes every day.
Perfect example. Let's practice. Repeat, I study English for 10 minutes every day.
Great! Another example, if your goal is to be healthy, your daily habit is, I eat vegetables every day.
Repeat, I eat vegetables every day.
Wonderful. Let's learn some more daily habits. First, I drink water every day.
Water is very important for your health. Repeat, I drink water every day.
Second, I go to bed early. Go to bed early means you sleep at an early time, like 9 p.m. or 10 p.m.
Repeat, I go to bed early.
Third, I practice English every day.
Yes, practice is very important. Repeat, I practice English every day.
Excellent. Let's review these daily habits. First, I study English for 10 minutes every day.
Second, I eat vegetables every day.
Third, I drink water every day.
Fourth, I go to bed early.
Fifth, I practice English every day.
Wonderful! These daily habits will help you achieve your goals.
Remember, small steps every day make big changes.
That's right. You don't need to do everything at once. Just start with one small habit.
Exactly. For example, start with, I will study English for 5 minutes today. That's easy.
Yes, and tomorrow you study for 5 minutes again. Every day you practice.
Great advice, Jack. Okay, everyone, you're doing amazing. Let's review everything one more time.
Okay, everyone, let's review what we learned today. First, we learned about morning routines.
That's right. Let's say the morning routine together. I wake up.
I get out of bed.
I wash my face.
I brush my teeth.
I get dressed.
I eat breakfast.
Perfect. That's a complete morning routine.
Then, we learned about New Year goals. We learned 3 ways to talk about goals.
First way, I want to. For example, I want to learn English.
Second way, I will. For example, I will study every day.
Third way, my goal is to. For example, my goal is to be healthy.
Excellent. And finally, we learned about daily habits. Small habits every day help us achieve our goals.
That's right. For example, I study English for 10 minutes every day.
Or, I drink water every day.
Wonderful review. You all did such a great job today.
We're so proud of you. Learning a new language is not easy, but you're doing it.
Yes, every time you listen to this podcast, you improve. You're getting better.
Keep practicing. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Okay, everyone, before we finish, we have a fun question for you.
Yes, this is our community question. We want to hear from you.
Here's the question. What time do you wake up in the morning?
And what's the first thing you do after you wake up?
Please tell us in the comments. We love reading your answers.
Yes, and it's great practice for writing English too.
For example, you can write, I wake up at 7 a.m. The first thing I do is drink water.
Or, I wake up at 6 a.m. The first thing I do is check my phone.
There's no wrong answer. We just want to hear from you.
Also, tell us, what's your New Year goal?
Yes, we want to know. Write in the comments, my goal is to, and finish the sentence.
We'll read all your comments and maybe we'll answer them in the next episode.
That would be so fun. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for listening today.
Thank you. Remember to like this podcast and subscribe for more easy English conversations.
We post new episodes every week to help you learn English. We have many topics: travel, food, work, hobbies, and more.
Yes, so subscribe now. And don't forget to tell your friends about us.
If you have a friend who wants to learn English, share this podcast with them.
Okay, everyone. That's all for today. Thank you for learning with us.
Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next episode.
Keep practicing. You're doing great.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. See you next time.